This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Origin. So Origin, now known as the AE app, the Electronic Arts app. I'm right here on the main download page. You can check out some of the details right here. So URL-wise, we have the URL here on the screen that I'm highlighting. It's a fairly tricky URL, so I'll put that as a link in the video description, so you can just click on that link just below this video and you'll wind up on this page. So we can get it on PC or Mac, so whether you're on Windows or Mac OS, it will know what operating system you're on. We will click right here for download the AE app. And in fact, we actually get this choice right here between Windows and Mac. So obviously if you're on Windows, you go for this option. If you're on Mac like me, you will click this version, and you'll see the icon fly up in the right hand corner, which is the universal symbol, at least on the Mac, that shows that something has been downloaded. Now, depending on what browser you're on, you will find the installer for the AE app, the Origin app. It will be in your downloads location. Now that will be dependent on the setup you have with your browser and what browser you have. I have Google Chrome, for example, on this Mac, so it goes straight to the downloads location. Your downloads location might be different. So hopefully you found this video on how to download the Origin app useful. If you have, now known as the AE app, I should say. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.